Hello folks, Big Daddy here. Don't know if you can hear me, but we're in a blizzard warning. Okay, well, we're in a blizzard warning for the next 24 hours. Supposed to get to 50-mile-per-hour winds and some other thing. A lot of snow, like a inch an hour. They're saying 7 to 12 inches. So I need to take the four-wheeler. I need to put it in the back shed. Last night I got my car in the garage, and then I parked the Ranger in here. And then see what else happens. Well, we got it in there. It's out of the weather for the night. Now let's see if we can get the Ranger. Now for the Ranger in here then. Hope you guys have a good day. We'll talk at you later. Bye.